Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best cordless ratchet you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best cordless ratchet in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is KIMO 3/8" cordless electric ratchet. With a max torque of 40 feet-pounds at 400 RPM and a variable speed trigger, KIMO cordless ratchet performs just like your air ratchet but without the annoying cords and the constant loud noise from the air hose. Weighs merely 2.2 pounds plus its ultra-slim head design, KIMO electric ratchet can reach any tight spots to ratchet nuts and bolts effortlessly, making it perfect for any auto maintenance, construction or home repair work. KIMO has kept updating its batteries to the best of its kind. It's estimated that the life expectancy of each KIMO 12-volt battery is at least 1,000 cycles. Stop worrying about dying batteries or batteries that won't charge after minimal usage. KIMO's got your back. KIMO equipped this ratchet wrench with 2 pieces of rubber that withstand corrosive materials and increase your comfort when using. Its built-in LED illuminates the work area while the on-board fuel gauge displays remaining runtime. Our second best cordless ratchet is S-Long cordless electric ratchet. The S-Long cordless ratchet has a high maximum speed of 400 revolutions per minute and a top torque output of 40 feet-pounds. Users can control the power and speed of the 3/8" ratchet with its variable speed trigger, but if the battery runs low, they can use the included manual ratchet wrench. This set also comes with a built-in LED light, 8 standard sockets, a 3/8" to 1/4" adapter, and an extension bar. The 12-volt cordless ratchet weighs just 1.8 pounds and it has a soft, rubber-coated grip designed to prevent it from slipping out of a user's hands while working. The included battery charger will fully charge a battery in just 60 minutes, and users can keep track of the charge with the battery power indicator on the ratchet. This cordless ratchet has a forward and reverse switch to change the direction of the rotation and a lock switch to prevent accidentally pressing the trigger. The S-Long ratchet was somewhat of a dark horse in this race of cordless ratchets. It performed just as a cordless ratchet should. It felt as if it were delivering just as much power as the other models, and the speed was reasonable. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is AOBEN cordless electric ratchet. AOBEN electric ratchet wrench offers 12-volt max motor and plenty torque at 40 feet-pounds to remove or install bolts. Includes 2 battery, 1 charger and 8 bolts. Ratchet wrench set superior fastening speed that produces 280 revolutions per minute with a variable speed trigger for excellent control. LED light on the front of the unit lighting the workplace for you in the dark. Lights on the side of the unit will let you know how much power you have left. Backward switch on the back of the head prevents accidental actuations. Air-cooled motor, strong heat sinking capability, can stabilize the working temperature of batteries. Backward switch on the back of the head prevents accidental actuations. Air-cooled motor, strong heat sinking capability, can stabilize the working temperature of batteries. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is ACDelco ARW1201 Cordless Ratchet. The Cordless Ratchet comes with two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries, a durable plastic case, and a fast charger that can fully charge one battery in 30 minutes. The soft, ergonomic grip provides comfort for the hands while working, most driveway mechanics can appreciate. This tool also features a trigger lock switch and a slim body designed to access hard-to-reach locations under the hood of a car. Tackle common automotive jobs like spark plug replacement with this 3/8-inch cordless ratchet. It comes equipped with a variable speed trigger that has a forward-reverse setting as well as an electric brake that prevents over-tightening by stopping the ratchet as soon as the DIY releases the trigger. Weighing just 3 pounds, it has a maximum torque of 57 feet-pounds and can operate at up to 160 revolutions per minute. Ergonomic soft grip design provides comfort for long working hours and a secure grip for maximum control and steadiness. Slim body design molded to securely fit and balance hand torque up to 100 feet-pounds. Most powerful tool on the market in its class. Forward reverse lever durable aluminum gearbox housing. Variable speed with reversible control and electric brake switch. Anti-slip soft grip. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best cordless ratchet list is DEWALT ATOMIC 3/8-inch ratchet. This durable atomic 20-volt max brushless cordless 3/8-inch ratchet delivers consistent performance for heavy-duty projects. The fast-action ratchet helps you quickly tighten and remove nuts, bolts, and other fasteners in confined workspaces. From automotive to industrial, this power tool can handle a wide range of applications with its brushless motor that outputs 70 feet-pounds of max torque and allows manual operation capabilities. The ratchet's glass-filled nylon housing helps prevent the effects of harsh automotive solvents and chemicals. With a contractor bag and battery included, this ratchet conveniently comes with what you need to get right to work. Even though the cordless ratchet does most of the work, there can still be some wear and tear on the user's hands. DEWALT's Atomic 20-volt max cordless ratchet aims to solve that issue. It has a soft rubber grip that promotes grip and keeps the user's hand comfortable throughout the whole project. It also has a rubber pad on the back side of the battery slot to maintain comfortable contact with the user's forearm.